Preparations in full swing for swearing-in ceremony of new government at centre tomorrow. Voice of the People Party holds victory rally at Smith. Government holds consultative meeting with MLAs, MDCs and Dorbar Shnongs to address drug abuse in the state. World Food Safety Day 2024 celebrated under the theme Prepare for the Unexpected. And MPCB issues directives to coke oven units and ferroalloy units to install online emission monitoring system. The news in detail. Preparations are in full swing for the swearing-in ceremony of the new government at the centre. President Draupadi Murmu has invited Prime Minister-designate Narendra Modi to form a new government. The swearing-in ceremony will be held at 7:15 tomorrow at Rashtrapati Bhawan. The President will be administering the oath of office and secrecy to Modi and the members of Union Council of Ministers. Modi met President Draupadi Murmu yesterday and staked claim to form a new government. The swearing-in ceremony can also be watched live on Doordarshan. Following its success at the recently concluded Lok Sabha election, the Voice of the People Party held a meeting today at Smith Ground which witnessed the presence of thousands of its supporters. Newly elected MP from Shillong parliamentary seat, Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon expressed his gratitude to God, the electors and VPP President Adan Basayomat. Sinkon termed Basayomat as a father figure for the party. VPP President Adan Basayomat said that the Lok Sabha victory was possible due to unity amongst the tribal community, maintaining that unity will bring security. He said that it was necessary for the party to thank the public first and then leave for Delhi.
Bangin la ban pengala ya kani ka ri ka e ka ji ba ban ai ka ta ka ji shan ka jin kemen ni ka ja ber balai kum no inut namar ngi don ka jinget om haladi ngi nget how play ko bani shakri.
The Social Welfare Department, Government of Meghalaya, in collaboration with the Home Police Department and the District Administration of East Khasi Hills District, yesterday held a consultative meeting on anti-drugs initiatives and constitution of the Village Defence Parties, VDPs, with the members of Legislative Assembly, MLAs, and members of District Councils, MDCs, and the Dorbar Shnongs of the Greater Shillong area at State Convention Centre, Shillong. Speaking to the media after the meeting, Bapol Lingdo, Social Welfare Minister, said that the government is trying to identify certain areas of convergence which they have done successfully with the active support of various Dorbar Shnongs. He said that the government is planning to boost manpower starting from the locality level to assist the police.
The purpose of the meeting is for us to have enough manpower starting from the locality level to assist the police in trying to combat the menace of drugs. And that will only happen with the support of the community. I have been advocating a community-oriented approach, and today the participation of so many Dorbar Shnongs is a proof that they have faith in what we are trying to achieve, and I'm very, very happy with the outcome of the meeting.
The State Food Testing Laboratory, Commissionerate of Food Safety, Health and Family Welfare Department, yesterday celebrated the World Food Safety Day at Pasture Laumali. The theme for this year was Prepare for the Unexpected. Speaking to the media, Wadamika Lingdo, Deputy Commissioner of Food Safety Technical, said that this day is celebrated and dedicated to raising awareness on food safety. The prime objective of the day is to engage the individual, community, organization and to underscore the necessity of food safety in order to achieve sustainable development goals.
Basically, the prime objective of the day is to engage individual, community, organization, and this is done to underscore the necessity of food safety in order to achieve sustainable development goals. And we assure you that from the department, we will abide by the theme, prepare for the unexpected, which means that we will focus on prevention, we will focus on detection and management so that we can cater to the health and well-being of our citizens.
The member secretary of Meghalaya Pollution Control Board, G.H. Chermang, informed that the board has directed coke oven units and ferroalloy units to install online emission monitoring system. He informed that cement factories, coke oven units and ferroalloy units are contributing immensely to the air pollution, which is why the three categories of factories have been called for the online continuous emission effluent monitoring system for air polluting industries yesterday. He said that the ferro units and coke oven units need guidance as far as environmental factors are concerned. Bindas Aim, a resident of Umden, Ribhoi district, is continuing her hunger strike outside the main gate of the Secretariat, demanding the construction of the Nongpo Umden Sonapur Road since Thursday. The medical officers also visited her to take stock of her health. Bindas Aim has started hunger strike demanding the Nongpo Umden Sonapur Road for the people. She said she had met the Ribhoi Deputy Commissioner and the Executive Engineer of PWD Roads, but to no avail. She asserted that she would continue her hunger strike until the government promises to improve the road. The Income Tax Department, which holds taxpayers, hub at Shillong from June 10 to 12 at the Shillong Club. The hub is being organized under the direction of the Directorate of Income Tax, Public Relations, Publication and Publicity, Central Board of Direct Taxes, Ministry of Finance, New Delhi. Principal Commissioner of Income Tax, Shillong, Dinesh A.J. Saukme, yesterday said that the hub is being organized to showcase the department's initiative for taxpayers' services and facilitate the voluntary compliance. This Taxpayers Hub is an outreach program by the department to educate the taxpayers and provide information about the Income Tax Act and redressal of grievances of the taxpayers.
Disseminate information about the Income Tax Act to the taxpayers and also to promote voluntary compliance of the Tax Act.
Jowai Presbyterian High Secondary School concluded its Silver Jubilee celebration at the Jubilee Hall yesterday. Dr. W.R. Karaluki, MP Rajya Sabha, graced the closing ceremony as chief guest and Jowai MLA Wailat Miki Shilla as the guest of honor. In the event, the chief guest and the guest of honor unveiled 2 tablet stone to commemorate the closing ceremony and the construction of an additional classroom, a project supported by Karluki. In his address to the gathering, Dr. W.R. Karluki expressed his gratitude and appreciation for the school's achievements and emphasized the importance of education in shaping the future of the community. It was a historic day for the Ribhoi Youth Federation RBYF. After 45 years of establishment, the RBYF proudly inaugurated its well-constructed office building yesterday. Former Chief Minister and founding member of the RBYF, Dr. Didi Lapang, inaugurated the new office building of the RBYF at Sidon Village. MLAs of Ribhoi, including Mayoral Bonds Aim, Damanbai Lamare, Sosthenes Sotun, Charles Marngar and Dr. Celestine Lingdo, traditional heads of Ribhoi and leaders from 4 major organizations, KSU, HNYF, FKJGP and JSU, attended the program. The long-awaited integrated farmers market at Ampati Market, Southwest Garo Hills, which was inaugurated 6 years ago, has officially opened for operations. The market was officially opened yesterday by Albinush Marak, CEM Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, GHADC. Addressing the gathering, CEM Albinush Marak expressed his delight at the market's opening, acknowledging the delays and challenges faced in completing the project. He emphasized the importance of the new market infrastructure in enhancing local livelihoods by providing a secure and comfortable environment for selling agricultural produce. He urged local farmers to apply for rental spaces in the market, maintain the facility, and focus on improving their agricultural practices. Residents of Mauet areas have faced transportation woes due to poor maintenance of the under-construction road from Nongstoin to Mauet. The construction company's failure to properly maintain the route has resulted in difficult conditions for vehicles. Buses have ceased operation on the road, and other vehicles like sumos and pickup vans struggled due to mud and stagnant water. Meanwhile, the Henyotreb Youth Council HYC Mauet Circle, under the leadership of its president Jeremiah Dakhar, has conducted spot inspection and also demanded the contractors to take immediate action to repair the damaged sections and ensure the bridge safety.
Katkum kajing benyau lene kajing lap kajing ut jing nam jong kipai ba bakasurok kala songti bat kala jenjar hadu kata ban yaj ban yeng ban laj ban lej jing lej na moit shadu Nongstoin te nagleng jongi ngilap ya kene kajing sisa bat ngi kerpat ro ya ka office badai pej bagi de ban simkhya hakabide bat kene.
And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 26.3 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature at 16.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 78%, while in the evening was 70%. Rainfall was recorded at 0.2 millimeter, and forecast states that moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at many places. And now, before you wind up, a quick look at the headlines once again. Preparations in full swing for swearing-in ceremony of new government at Centre tomorrow. Voice of the People Party holds victory rally at Smith. Government holds consultative meeting with MLAs, MDCs and Dorbar Shnongs to address drug abuse in the state. World Food Safety Day 2024 celebrated under the theme Prepare for the Unexpected. And MPCB issues directives to coke oven units and ferroalloy units to install online emission monitoring system. Well, viewers, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Until we meet again, thank you for watching and good night.